Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw apple. Do you know what is apple? An apple is a delicious and healthy fruit that grows on trees. Apples come in a different colors like red, green and yellow. They are sweet, crunchy and full of vitamins that help us stay strong and healthy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, which means apple can help us healthy. Apples are a great snacks for our kids and can be eaten fresh, sliced or even made into the apple sauce or a juice. Eating apples can help our teeth clean and make us feel energetic. Do you like apple, kids?